All right, folks, it's Monday. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving holiday with family and friends. Time to get after it. Here's what you need to know for the week. Heading into the open today, seeing weakness in the markets. Dow Jones off 150, S&P's down 15 or so. This weakness coming on the back of some news out of Reuters that President Trump could, or at least is weighing blacklisting a few Chinese companies ahead of transition to President Biden, that putting pressure on these markets. Now, on the positive side, Moderna and their vaccine from a few weeks ago, they had a 94% plus efficacy rate. They're seeking approval for that drug here in the US starting today. So good news on that front. Now, other markets. Look at the oil market this week, particularly today and tomorrow. Oil down about 1.5% right now, back below $45 a barrel in WTI. That OPEC Plus meeting kicks off today. The hope coming out of that two-day meeting is that OPEC decides to continue its production cuts into 2021, helping that price of oil rise. However, if they decide to turn the spigots back on and pump more oil, you're going to see, or you could see, immediate downside pressure on oil as a result. Other markets, FX, continued weakness in that dollar. Euro just shy of 1.20 now. British pound solidly up above 1.33, and a 5% move in the Aussie dollar in the month of November, just shy of spot 74. Gold continues to get weighed on. One of the worst months we've seen in gold in 4 years, trading right around 17.75 an ounce right now. Finally, you look on the economic front. Friday, we have a big day in the economic calendar with that November jobs report coming out, so something to look ahead to. So it's a busy week, folks. I know we had a little bit of a reprieve last week with the holiday. It's time to get back after it this week. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.